Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to solve how to fix hashtag value error in Excel. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix value error in Excel using 4 fixes. Solution 1. Restart the Excel application. Before exploring any advanced solutions, it is recommended to once close and reopen your Excel application. Many users have found this method useful in their cases to overcome value error in Excel. Solution 2. Replace spaces using Find and Replace option. You may receive the hashtag value error if the cells contain the spaces. Because of these hidden spaces, the cell looks empty, which is not actual. So, you need to remove the spaces causing hashtag value error by using Find and Replace option. First, choose the cells from where you want to replace the space. After that, tap on the Home tab, then Find and select. Then Replace. Now, you need to replace the spaces with nothing. In the Find What box, you must insert the space by pressing the spacebar key. Next, in the Replace With box, you need to delete everything. Finally, tap on Replace All. Solution 3. Set filter in Excel. In some cases, hidden characters rather than the space can make the cell appear blank and shows value error, whereas it is not blank in reality. So, to remove the characters in the column easily, you need to turn on the filters. To do so, go to the Home. Then click on Sort and Filter. And lastly, click on Filter. And then click on Filter arrow. Remove the Select All tick mark. And after that, choose Blanks box. Select the checkbox which does not have anything next to it. And as Excel shows the blank cells, select all of them and click on Delete. This will simply clear the entire hidden characters presented in the cells. Now again, click on the filter arrow at the top. And choose the option, Clear Filter from Expense, to make the cells visible. Now, if the spaces are causing the hashtag value error is estimated, now the problem is solved and formula start showing. Solution 4. Use Excel Repair tool. If the value error is causing due to Excel file corruption, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about value error in Microsoft Excel. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.